Hello and welcome to the All Facts video training series. Today's video, we're going to look at a couple of maintenance items and troubleshooting items that may help you with your Sharp copier. First, let's take a look at a troubleshooting item that may occur. You may be instructed by our service department or IT staff to reboot your machine. There are two on-off switches on your Sharp copier. The first, and easily identified one, is in the upper right corner of the panel. This will shut the engine off, but not shut off the entire machine. To do a full reboot, you'll open your front door, and in the lower left corner is the main power switch. This is the full reboot of your machine, and this is what they will be instructing you to do, not the one at the top. Next, let's take a look at a maintenance item on your machine. From time to time, you may experience black lines on your copies or scans. Many times, customers will clean their glass on the machine and still experience it. When you're experiencing black lines, the main thing you want to clean and not spray directly on the machine. In this case, you're going to take a little alcohol. If you have alcohol wipes, wipe the slit glass to the left of the main glass. If there's something on there, it will make a streak across your copies. If you continue after you've cleaned it and you're thinking maybe something else is wrong, put a single original on the glass and make two copies. If the streaks are not there, then your problem is on this glass. It potentially could be underneath and might require a service call. Another maintenance item on your Sharp copier will be the replacement of the toner cartridge. Your machine will give you two messages, one stating that the cartridge is low, prepare one, and then you'll have one that says the cartridge is out. At that point, the machine will stop producing copies and prints. So let's take a look. Open the front door, pull the old cartridge out. You'll have one in a box. We always suggest shaking it a couple of times. It can only go in one way. Put your new cartridge in, close your front door. Notice we didn't power the machine down to replace. Another troubleshooting item we want to take a look at is misfeeds or paper jams in your machine.
Your machine will display a message on the touchscreen when a paper jam or misfeed occurs. The message will also display possible locations in the machine where the paper is jammed, indicated by red arrows. You can also access steps on how to remove the misfeeds by clicking the Check How to Remove Misfeeds button on the touchscreen. Click the next button to advance through the different screens. Let's take a look at your machine. Open the front door. This will give you access to the paper path in the machine. In the lower right, you'll have the paper path you can open that's in front of the trays. Now turn the green handle counterclockwise and pull the process unit out to access more of the paper path. Green in your Sharp machine indicates access to the paper path and possible access to a misfeed within the machine. This could be a knob, a handle, a lever, or just a plate that you can lift. To close the process unit, turn the green handle counterclockwise, slide the process unit in. You must return the green handle to the lock position by turning clockwise and locking it in to shut the front door. The machine may indicate the jam is in the finishing unit or staple unit. There are several levers and doors to open. Just simply find the green, rotate the knobs, or open the sections to search for your misfed or jammed piece of paper. The middle transport unit of the finisher slides out. Close the finisher to return to normal operations. Another section of the paper path is on the right end of the machine. This section is only used when paper is fed from the bypass tray or large capacity tray.
Another area of the machine that it may experience a jam or a misfeed will be the document feeder. This would be with your originals. On the top, you have a lever here to open the top of the document feeder. You also have a section here. You have a green roller. If it's stuck, you can roll it this way. You additionally can press that. This will open the other part of the transport section of the document feeder. And those are all the places in the document feeder where a misfeed would occur. And finally, we've looked at clearing a misfeed or a paper jam. Now let's take a quick look at how to prevent one. Loading the paper in your machine is probably one of the most important things that you can do. So let's take a look. We're going to open our ream of paper and we're going to break it into sections. It's hard to drop the entire stack of paper into your machine and have it sit straight without any sheets sticking out of it. So we're going to take the second section, fan it, and we're going to drop it in our machine. What can happen if you try to drop the whole stack, some sheets will come out from underneath, and that's a misfeed waiting to happen. Here's an example of paper that is not loaded correctly. If you notice, the paper at the bottom of the tray is sticking out. So at this point, when the tray goes to lift in the machine, it will hesitate and create a jam.
To add staples, simply grab the empty staple cartridge, press where it says push, pop the middle section open. To add the staples, simply grab the replacement cartridge in the little white cardboard housing, slide into the unit, press it all the way in, close the top, and you're ready to go. That completes our video, and thanks for watching. If you need additional information or support, please visit our website at www.allfacts.com. You can also contact us at our main number at 504-443-0188. On behalf of the entire All Facts team, we appreciate and value your business. Thanks, and have a great day.